This is actually one of the simplest methods to generate money online, thanks to a cutting-edge strategy that is effective everywhere and involves no selling, affiliate marketing, or prior knowledge. Step 1 is to visit pixabay.com. Over 10,000 different copyright-free photos and films in every conceivable niche are available in the Pixabay collection. Additionally, for every category you might imagine, just head over to pixabay.com and click on videos. You understand? The place. As a result, we will only be focusing on videos today. After that, you should search for terms like business finance, earning money online, working from home, etc. Let's hunt for a company or something similar only to demonstrate what we are looking for. As a result, we're seeking for a variety of brief videos that are about business and finance because all of these are only 10 to 15 seconds long. This video kind of reminds me of a Winans related one, Longs. So I'll click on it and then this button right here that says free download. Such as download, and a Creative Commons license will be applied before it is directly downloaded to your PC. As you can see, unrestricted for business use. The second stage for Noah's donation is to visit allo-tech.com, which will send you to a website where you can get paid to read emails. The minimum payout on this website is simply 20 cents, which is fantastic. Now, all you would have to do is click on the register button here, and you can make a new account. You can create a new account on looting.com by clicking the register button, entering a distinctive username, a valid email address, creating a password, and then typing that password again. If you prefer to leave these boxes empty, you can also accept their terms of use and privacy policy by checking the corresponding boxes. This is what it will look like once you establish a brand new account. And let's look at think.com. After logging in, this is the dashboard where you can view your earnings. Since many of you frequently inquire about how to withdraw money from the site, the button to withdraw is right here, or here. All I have to do is click on it, enter your payment information, and you'll get paid right away, after your account has at least 20 cents. The third step is to log into your account and simply copy your referral link, which can be found on the home page. You may therefore see your exclusive referral link right here. Simply click the copy button to copy that and begin sharing it with others in order to generate some passive revenue. And the last action. Therefore, all you need to do is visit imager.com. To establish a new account, click the sign button that will be located right here and input a distinctive username before clicking on the new post. Just like the video or image that you previously downloaded from pixabay.com by clicking this button. Therefore, simply select photo or video. Locate the video you had previously downloaded twice, click it, and wait for it to load. You will be prompted to indicate whether you want the audio to be deleted or not. Either no or yes is acceptable. It actually makes no difference. I'll skip the audio recording. Now all you have to do is give your article a headline that includes the free keyword, such as something like, be paid to read emails, or, to open emails. People will therefore notice that it is completely free. They can also generate some revenue. Then, of course, you can include your referral link in the description. For them to sign up, you must include your referral link. You can include your referral link and say something like, sign up here, instantly, or, get access here immediately. Therefore, you will need to use a different hashtag here to target folks with a truck. Therefore, click this tag button. We can search for internet money making. After there, be sure to select Do Community since you want to make this public rather than setting it to be hidden, which would make you the only person to see it. Thus, post to the community, and the inboard website will display this for everybody to see. That more than 250 million individuals visit. On a monthly basis, that's a lot of angles. Hey, as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in a few of the upcoming videos.